Experience the Bugatti Brouillard, a one-of-a-kind hypercar rooted in coach-building history. The front of the Brouillard revisits Bugatti's horseshoe grille form, now inset within green-tinted carbon with it framed by sleek, fender-integrated LED headlights. The hood's sculptural air inlets echo the trained musculature of a stallion. Overall, the front visually communicates power, grace, and bespoke artistry in every curve. At the rear, the Brouillard replaces active aero with a sculpted fixed ducktail. Slim X-shaped taillights and quad vertically stacked exhaust tips bracket a dramatic carbon diffuser. The composition is organic, muscular, and audacious, a modern reinterpretation of hypercar heritage through minimalist form. From the side, the Brouillard's satin finish carbon surfaces flow in equine-like tension. The green-on-green tone is split by a darker lower third, visually lowering the stance and elongating the body. Dual roof scoops and flowing surfaces evoke graceful power, like a horse poised to leap. Inside, green-woven tartan upholstery and horse motifs decorate seatbacks and door cards. The gear lever houses a handcrafted mini horse head under glass, forging a connection to its namesake. Machined aluminum and carbon fiber weave through the cabin, a compelling blend of heritage, personalization, and craftsmanship. From above, the Brouillard merges a glass greenhouse with a central spine and muscular haunches, a seamless silhouette with sculptural purity. The roof's glass blending into the carbon tail deck presents both openness and structural cohesion, merging design heritage with futuristic sensuality. The wheels reflect the Brouillard's bespoke nature, forged rims paired with low-profile tires and carbon fiber body visible just behind. Brake calipers and hardware use precision machining, complementing design priority with track-capable performance seamlessly. The Brouillard is powered by Bugatti's ultimate W16, an 8.0L quad-turbo generating 1,600 PS, paired with a 7-speed DCT driving all wheels via the Mistral/Chiron chassis. This is the final crescendo of the W16 era, raw power wrapped in bespoke coachwork. As the first product under Bugatti's new Programme Solitaire, the Brouillard revives coach-building traditions, offering 2 one-offs a year. Its uniqueness is total, from design to execution, echoing coach-built elegance while embracing full engineering validity. Bugatti's designers sculpted the Brouillard with soft curves and reflection-based surfaces, avoiding sharp creases. The result is a form that mimics the athleticism of a horse, powerful yet graceful, where every surface transitions organically into the next. As a singular hypercar imbued with equestrian tribute, complete with horsehead gear knob, bespoke tartan, and Parisian fabrics, the Brouillard is Bugatti's most personal creation yet. It stands at the pinnacle of individuality and craftsmanship in the modern hypercar era.